Bitcoin and Ethereum. What's his next move? Let's find out in the chart, shall we? Oh my goodness, I still had that trade waiting right here at the 78.6, man. Oh my goodness, and I did get a fill right here at the 78.6. We're going to talk about that and more in today's episode, and how I'm going to trade it, what I'm going to do next right now that I've got my trade open and on Bybit. So if you want to learn, if you want to trade this, what I'm trading, you could also trade it on Bybit by going over to bybit.davincij15.com and get your $200 bonus. Also go to femex.davincij15.com, open up an account there, and you know what? Start trading there and get a $200 bonus, right? Just of course, you know, remember, right? These are like one-way ticket to Rec City if you don't know what you're doing. So make sure you only use small amounts of money on these leverage exchanges so that you're not getting wrecked. Alrighty, so let's get on to the show. Before we do, right, remember, this is just trading entertainment, it's not financial advice. Please do your own research before putting any money in the market. Whew, okay, so yeah, I got into this Hail Mary trade, right? I thought the market was gonna leave without me. I really did. I thought the market was just gonna go, okay, yeah. You lollygagged, you're done, right? So, but I'm good. I'm right here. I just need to, let me just hold the control key, right? And there we go. So I've got my entry point. There's my take profits. I'm gonna probably take a little bit of profits here, because there's just too much. You know what's happening here? What's got me a little bit nervous, because I might have to take profits. Yes, that's right. Bitcoin is emming out like crazy. There's M's everywhere, right? And so I'm like, okay, not going to play. Right, not gonna play very, like, go long all the way, do the long ball here, because there's just too many M's here, and we break down here, that's it. It's like lights out. Right? We are going all the way probably to, like, you know, the 40K or something like that. 40. Well, first we'll probably take the stop off at the 8K here, 47,800. And then let's see here, what kind of damage this thing can do, man. So look at this. If we break down here, let's see, can we do some serious damage here? Oof. Yeah, there we go. Right down. Look where the golden ratio is. Oh no. But with that said, right, you know, what's the positive out of it? We have to come up to the, like, and break this trend line, like, majorly. Maybe we could bounce off of it once and then come back to it, but we got to like break it before we break down, or else it's lights out. Oh boy. Sorry to interrupt in the middle of the stream, but head over to blockfi.com/DaVinciJ15 and you could earn $250. Also 8.6% on your crypto. Of course, know your risks, and you'll be able to trade crypto over there. Also get access to a credit card, allow you to spend your crypto. Links are in the description below. Next is Ethereum, which it's not lights out, it's lights on. Right, we have actually created a nice, beautiful W, right, which got you in to a nice trade. We have a W within a W's, which actually got you into the trades here. And look at this. I mean, it was just perfect, right? And if you missed the W, it gave you a chance to get back in, right? And to get in, and then look at where the target is on this thing. It's just sweet, man. And it's decent. I mean, it was really hard. It's really hard to trade Ethereum W's, right? You know how they are, right? They they like to bite you more often than not. So let's see here. This, I think we have to go to the legit pull down here. I don't know. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go to the, I'm going to be a little stingy, right? I'm not going to go down all the way down there. And then we go to 1-to-1, which is almost here. We're almost at the target for this trade, right? You see, you could have gotten a 2-to-1. So I'm going to hold down the control key. So if you want to learn how to use trading, if you want to use TradingView, right? This holding down the control key whilst you have the magnet disables the magnet. So check out if you want to subscribe to TradingView. All right, make sure you use my affiliate links below, and it is tradingview.davincij15.com, and I really appreciate it. Okay, wow. So we have almost ended this particular bull run here, but let's see here. This creates a new high. Can we break higher? Probably. Yes. It's going to be a little bit touch and go. I think it's just going to probably come up here and just be a nasty up to this trend line up here, and then just go, oh no, what? No, or might repeat the last time I saw this happen, where it came up to the trend line, bounced off of it, and then went thermal. Just absolutely went thermal, right? And we go all the way to 6,000 or something like that. That's a possibility, but I don't see that being in the cards this time around. Alrighty, so Ethereum, we have a little bit more to go before we top out, possibly top out. But if we break higher, we're probably heading up to the $2,700 level-ish area, and probably going to hit some resistance up here before we see any kind of backing off of the price action. Finally, it's another lights out moment for Bitcoin here. I mean, if the dominance continue, if we close a weekly Sunday candle right below here significantly, it's lights out. Lights out. I mean, we're heading straight down to 40 something. Straight. Right down here, right? 40-ish area. Just like complete, like, collapse. Right? Absolute collapse of the dominance. That means probably every single altcoin is going to pump. Everything will pump all at the same time. And practically everything. There will be a few coins that don't pump, but very little. Very little. And man, it's going to be spectacular. Woo! Oh man, it's going to be it's going to be scary, absolutely terrifying. How big this is going to be, right? My portfolio's already got 108 bitcoins and rising, so I expect it to do something like, oh my god, make me go, what? How is this possible? I might even double in my whole portfolio the total amount of bitcoins really fast. That's how crazy it could get. That's exactly how crazy it can get. So looking forward to that should it come to pass in the next little while. So with that said, right, thank you all for watching this short little stream. I might do another one later on, right? Let you know, let the Pandora's Wallet subscribers know when I'm going to do another stream. They're watching this live right now. Same with the DJ15 token holders. They were watching this live, and if you want to watch it live, you can do so by heading over to www.davincij15.com and subscribing or purchasing the DJ15 token, and all you need is 0.05. All right, well, remember, Bitcoin, even though it's might be lights out for Bitcoin, it's here to stay. It's not going anywhere, and you need to be a part of it. Cheers.